You will be amazed by this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.